them cross all the time. I have them on video crossing here twice. And I got about 15 minutes left till legal shooting light comes up. And I'm just gonna sit here and wait until shooting light comes up. And see if they pop out. Alright, so it's officially first light. Just a recap of what happened the other day. I shot at a buck with my bow. And I hit him. And I tracked him to his first bed. And I ended up jumping him out of the bed. So I went home because I had to go to work. And then I got off work a little early and I went to track him. But it started raining a little bit up there. And I couldn't find blood anymore. But I was able to follow his tracks. And I ended up finding my arrow just stuck straight into the dirt, like intentionally. So I'm pretty sure somebody found my buck. So as far as I'm concerned, that's it for my archery buck. But I'm out here today, so hopefully a buck comes out. So I'll be back out today. Got a buck coming up right here. Matt. I got a buck down, baby. Heck yeah. He's down. Woo! I got him on the run.
Is it down?
It's dead.
Cool.
Did you guys see that? That buck popped out like freaking 4 feet in front of me. Holy crap. What do you want to do? You want to come down? Yeah, keep coming. I got a freaking buck down, guys. So what happened was, he popped. I forgot I could flip this. Okay, so I watched him run, and then he got to that tree over there, and he walked out. And then I shot him, and then he stopped running. He just started walking. I started walking. He couldn't make it up the hill anymore.
Okay.
30-06, guys. Give me a second. All right, guys. If you guys don't already know it, you should go follow me on Instagram and Facebook because I update all my hunts and I put up days that I hunt that I don't put on YouTube because I hunt. Let's just say I've hunted almost every single day since July. My uncle knows about it. I hunted hard.
Yep.
And you know
I
what?
know him.
I put it on Instagram all the time, but I don't put it on YouTube. So, let me see. No internet connection. All I gotta do is this. You hear that? It's a coil.
Alright.
Let's go check out my buck, guys.
Alright, let's do.
So, as I said, this is big buck country. The buck I shot is actually a small buck. So I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna wait here. If I don't see them, then I'll go somewhere else. But if you can see him, he's right there. He's dead right there under the tree. Couple, don't say about. Come here. You see the?
Oh.
You see it? The wise.
Yeah.
He's dead right there.
Yeah. Oh, man, Fletcher har jag.
Yeah, that's 200 yards.
Yeah.
So I did a 200-yard shot to get him and put him down. So I wish that I was able to get you guys, but then I wish I was able to record these shots for you guys. But there's no way I'm gonna solo hunt with a bumped buck. Both the bucks got bumped. We're pretty high up.
Now let's go check it out first.
Yeah.
See what you hit.
Let me get my stuff, and then we'll go walk up on the buck. All right, guys. So stay tuned. We'll be right there. You see that guy? Yep. That's my buck, guys. We're gonna walk up to it. In all its glory. He's running. When I did the man, he didn't stop. He just started walking. It's a little mule deer buck. It's a little guy. Oh, it's a little forky.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is not even any of the bucks that I've been chasing all year, but you know what? This guy might have been the second one. This was the second one. I shot the wrong deer.
What do you mean?
Those two. This is the smaller one. I guess when it ran back down, this guy might have been still with him.
Right here.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, this is the result of very hard hunting. I purposely left this area alone because I knew there's bucks here. I did not plan to shoot a buck that size. Two bucks came. I guess the 6-point ran straight back down, and he just
Took off.
He took off to the right, and the 6-point must have ran down. I shot the wrong buck, guys. That's. I mean, in the end, I still got a buck, but still, I shot the wrong buck. Oh well. I mean, not oh well. I would have liked to have shot that 6-point.
Hey.
Well, guys, not the buck that I was shooting, but it's still a buck, I guess.
Yep, it's a buck.
Yeah.
You got only 1 week left, so it's a good buck.
Two guys came up. It was this little forky and a 6-point. He was actually below the 6-point. I guess the 6-point ran straight down, and he cut to the right, and I thought he was a 6-point. But I saw both the bucks. I knew they were both legal bucks. I wasn't worried. And this late in the season, I have no problem taking this buck. It's a great buck. Okay. yeah, there goes the buck, guys. It's a tiny little forky. I got stuck on the bottom one. That's better.
Okay. Want to tag before we go?
Yeah, let me get some. Alright guys, so I've been hunting my uncle all season. And we finally got a buck together. Like, this is the side effects of taking beta blocker. Do you guys see, like, I'm happy. I'm really happy. Don't get me wrong, I'm grateful for this buck, you know. This buck is awesome. I've been hunting my booty off, and you know, I'm super appreciative that this buck gave itself to me, basically. I mean, they both ran straight up to me. They literally came straight up to me. And I don't even know what to say. Like,
Good day.
I wish I had the excitement to show you guys. I mean, I'm excited, but it doesn't matter if I hike up this hill. My heart rate remains 60. It doesn't go up, doesn't go down. So as much as I would love to be, you know, all like jittery for you guys and show you guys all the excitement that I have built up inside, I can't do it because medically, I just can't do it. But yeah, finally got my buck down. It's my second buck that I've shot this season. In the same week, actually. So I'm super happy about that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna notch this tag, and then I'm gonna leave my backpack here because I don't need to take my backpack no more. And I'm gonna take my gun because I don't want to get my gun stolen.
Oh, he's a pig.
Yeah, and then we're gonna go up and try to get my uncle a buck. So we'll get back to you guys.
We're not gonna wait. We're just gonna go up there and come back.
Keep the eye over there. Yep, definitely got me tripping on the deer. 100%.
Yeah, I think so.
The angle was good.
That'll be awesome.
The angle was great. The angle was great. Got me. Yep, the angle definitely got me 100%. Where the heck is my deer tag? There it is. I was worried for a second. I thought I lost my deer tag. So what? It's the smallest antler I've ever seen. Just carry him down. Camera. It's gonna be your hunt now, so it's whatever you want, Uncle.
Yeah, no, we're just gonna go up there and we're not gonna wait.
Alright guys, hunt is not over yet. Still got one more tag to notch. If you get up here early enough, you can actually wait out first light and then you go up to the top. So let's go. Yeah, straight up is probably better. Don't worry guys, I'm still tracking myself, so I will be able to come find my buck. You know what? It actually hurts a lot where the buck gored me in my foot. So in reality, in my mind, I thought I was shooting the bigger buck. But these two bucks changed the position. Was I sure it was a 6 point? Yes, I was. So we're gonna make the way up and we'll get back to you guys. We're gonna go to the very top. There's a flowing creek up there. It's wide open out here. As you can see, it's just wide open. So once you get to the higher elevations, you run into a lot of this. Just a ton of deer tracks. well established dirt track. And the best part, good chance you won't find any other footprint out here that's human but yours. Well, there's one in front of me because my uncle's up ahead. I'm too busy filming, so I told him, just keep going up. Once you get to the top, you'll see the creek. So he's like, there's a creek up here? I was like, yep, there's a flowing creek up there. So he's the hunter. He can go first. There's pigs up here, that's why I carried my gun. If I run into a pig, I'll shoot a pig. Oh, let's keep going.
So you actually made it to the top?
Yep,
What's up there?
once. A very good glassing point. That's the top. I made it up there one time. I never went back up there again. What do you notice around me? There's no more mountain tops. You know why? Because we're pretty much at the top of the mountain. It's been a while.
So we're gonna make it to this top.
Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna get there and then we'll take some picture.
So we shot that deer. I shot the deer at 7, right? It's 9 o'clock.
Okay.
Just to put you in perspective of how long it takes to hike up here. So yeah, for all those guys, for everybody who keeps telling me, let's go, I can make it. You gotta be in TikTok shape to make it up here. I'm in really good shape. You guys gotta remember I hunted every single day since opening day of archery season. That's in July. So I'm in TikTok shape and I still struggle to get up here. So we just gotta make it over this hill. And then this, we should be able to see the creek. We're almost there. But yep, this isn't even the high country, so we're not even high alpines yet. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Yeah.
That's the high alpines behind me, so. And we're not even there. Well, we just made it all the way over here just to have a helicopter land in front of us.
Hey. And slowly by
So much for that. I don't think anything's gonna stick around after that.
nope, not here, not this side.
Yeah, right there on that rock should be good.
Yeah, I'm not here. No.
Yeah.
That's a good spot. We have shade too. So.
Alright guys, so it's going to be a separate video of the breakdown. And I'll put a link in the video if you guys want to watch the breakdown. Believe it or not guys, no more than 10 minutes after I blew this guy and the buck that he was with came up. But yeah, we're gonna break this guy down and then we're gonna pack him out and get out of here. Magic call.
cái thằng tao tán tung.
Alright guys, we're all packed up. Got the deer tucked in 3 bags. 2-man squad, me and my uncle. Finally guys, scratched that itch the whole entire season. You guys don't know how hard this was. This season was one of my toughest seasons ever. But got it done finally, and I'm totally stoked about it. So thankful for this deer. I feel like he was meant to come to me. I blew that call and he came right in. Actually, they both came in. I wish I had gotten the other one, but you know what? I'm happy with this one too. Anyways, we're gonna get ready, pack up, and then get out of here. All right, guys. Heavy pack. I have almost everything, and my uncle has the loose meat and I think the neck roast.
Alright.
And the spine. And we are packing out. It feels good to be packing out finally.
So I'm gonna check here. With the stick, I'm gonna cut.
Okay. That's all the glory.
All the glory, hunting all year.
Yeah. Should be able to get back to the car under an hour.
Alright. You know, this is Gary. He carried over 100 pounds of meat. Huh? I don't know. It's a whole deer. So he take the whole meat and he let me go free. Well, I could say he's a good shot. He could hit when it's running on full speed, so. He get to carry it. Yep.
We made it to the bottom. Anyways guys, that's gonna be it in this video. Thanks for tuning in. If you guys tagged along with me, you guys are awesome. I'm all tagged out. Unfortunately I only got 1 buck, but still I'm all tagged out. Never give up guys. No matter how many setbacks you have, you never give up. I've had so many setbacks, so many unfortunate events that happen, but I'm still able to put it down. That was the best pack out I've ever done. So tomorrow is October 23rd. Opening day for duck season. And guess what? I'm gonna go duck hunting because I ain't got no more deer tags. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out. Thanks again for tuning in. Subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next adventure.